DICGC, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation, has recently sent a notification to all the banks to display the aspect of DICGC done by them to increase the awareness among the public. What is DICGC? It is a government institution that guarantees the deposits of the customers of the bank. Let us look at what DICGC is and whether such a notification, which is to be implemented by September 1st, 2023, is a new thing for us or for some of us only. DICGC is very old, and earlier it is to guarantee the deposits up to 1 lakh, but now from 2020 February, I think, it guarantees the deposits up to 5 lakhs per person per bank. Earlier they used to send leaflets to the bank to distribute among the customers so that they will be aware of the safety of their deposits. I know of one cooperative bank who used to display the receipt of the last premium paid by them to DICGC to assure the depositors. It was a publicity stunt but not illegal, and it worked, believe me. Even though the cooperative bank was small, it worked. No matter how much the others cried hoarse that they are also giving insurance premium, the very fact of clear indication behind every deposit receipt helped. Now, deposit does not mean only fixed deposit. The guarantee extends to all balances in the bank, minus anything that the customer may have borrowed from them. Now, which are the banks? Is it compulsory? The answer is yes, it is compulsory for all the banks at the time the banking license is given. So we have a lot of primary, you can see on the screen now, a lot of other than primary cooperative banks, I'm very sorry to say that. Other than primary cooperative banks, you have public sector banks, 12 public sector banks, a lot of cooperative banks also, and foreign banks and private sector banks, which are covered under this. The principle is the same. In a bank with various branches, if you have deposits, it is considered as to be paid to you maximum 5 lakhs. But if you have deposits in various banks, then each bank, it will be guaranteed for 5 lakhs. That is for, just to emphasize the old phrase or idiom that you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. It is also true that 5 lakhs may be a small sum today, but at least it is something that the other countries not actually do that. Now, when will the payment come to you in case the bank has a problem? You should understand that the bank will not suddenly shut down and go into liquidation. The Reserve Bank of India has its rules, has its own method of investigation and steps to allow the bank to recover, and if they don't recover, then it is going into liquidation. After it goes into liquidation, the DICGC pays the liquidator to distribute among the depositors. As I said before, the stages are few. What happens in those few stages? You will have to wait, I'm sorry. The first notice will be that the bank will be not permitted to accept any more deposits. The moment this happens, DICGC withdraws its guarantee. Withdraws means it stops its guarantee at that particular point of time. So any other depositors, in case accidentally or by exception taken by the bank, even with permission of RBI, those deposits are not guaranteed at all. As on the date of this notification, whatever be the deposits, those will be considered and will be subject to the maximum claim of 5 lakh rupees. So what we are going to understand by a logo coming on the stationery of the bank and every deposit certificate or possibly even the passbook tomorrow is just a reminder that it is guaranteed up to 5 lakhs. Maybe in the banking circles you and I knew it. A lot of customers don't know it, And believe me, many of them still feel the guarantee is up to 1 lakh, which is not so, it is up to 5 lakhs. As a closing remark, I would like to say that it's also a Keynesian economics at work. By this notification, the printing industry is going to get a great demand of stationery to be printed or overprinted. Some work or the other is going to the stationers people. I'm not saying it should not be, but it is required. That is it. If you can distribute or re-forward it to the other people you feel this message should go, please do that. And you are always welcome, and I should appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now. See you later. Thank you.